200 great organizations were surveyed about two key indicators of success: strategy and execution. Can you predict the outcome? 80% of those surveyed were thrilled with their strategy, but only 20% were happy with their execution. I trust that everyone knows the importance of turning ideas into reality. The question is not why, but how. I define execution using 4 words: what, how, who, and when. What is our finish line? How are we going to get there? Who is responsible for leading the charge? When will we get there? Execution can be looked at in the simplest form as timelines, milestones, and champions. Urgency is created when one can see the timeline and feel the clock ticking on the way toward the finish line. Milestones are clear actions along the way that make the journey manageable. Champions are the people, the heroes, responsible for getting us to the finish line. In philanthropy, business, and in our family, we use an execution dashboard as a way to be able to see, measure, and manage our progress. Here is our execution dashboard for the STARS Foundation. First, we strip out the key components or drivers from the strategy. You will see that this consists of the vision, the mission, strategic thrust, values, and goals for stakeholders, for operations and organization, and the impact of achieving these goals. It is crucial that we see the link between our goals and the impact they will have on these key strategy drivers. And of course, these drivers must be the ones that will best get us to our ambitious finish line. Next, we list the key actions or projects under each of the key areas. This list shows 4 to 5 projects under each of these criteria. Then we prioritize by putting a star next to vital goals. Against each project, we put the initials of the champion who will be leading and reporting out the progress. Each champion is responsible for managing a project brief that further details the monthly deliverables against the goal. At this point, we apply our traffic light system to monitor the progress of the deliverables. Very simple. Green for on track, yellow for needs help, or red for trouble. As an example of how we use the dashboard, you can see here our EFQM project. Notice this sits under the column of organization. You will see here we are seeking to achieve the goal of 700 out of 1,000. And you see here the project champion. The execution dashboard is co-owned by everyone on the team. At the end of every year, the whole team is involved in a dashboard refresh, and of course, there is a direct link between team evaluations and the dashboard. This snapshot, the execution dashboard, should give you everything you need to know to manage to the finish line. Let me stress that these are one-page summaries that include all goals, targets, projects, and champions. This tool is quite effective because it brings transparency to each and every project. The entire organization can see where we stand. There are 2 magical elements to the use of this dashboard. 1, it simplifies. 2, it makes tasks that may seem unachievable achievable by breaking them down into actionable steps. Now, this is just one tool, one we use. The key is capsulizing the drivers of the strategy. That may, in fact, be hundreds of pages in a single page view. This will vary from one organization to another. The criteria will change. The impact will be defined differently. Execution dashboards are flexible. They can be used to drive an organization or a single project. Here is an example for the use of a project execution dashboard from the construction industry, an arena in which many NGOs play. In our housing business, we were commissioned to build a 432-person accommodation facility to be executed in 75 days in a remote and challenging environment in Northern Australia. We had to design and construct a 2-story living space complete with a wastewater treatment plant, supply desalinated water, and re-establish a sewage system. No detail was left unturned, from beds with sheets and pillows to dining halls, education spaces, and even a barber shop. The project's logistical component was formidable. We had to work in the tropical heat with daily rainfall. We had tight size restrictions. Materials were scarce locally, so we used chartered ships, passenger transport planes, and even an Antonov aircraft to deliver accommodation units produced in Papua New Guinea, Dubai, and Ghana. In addition, there was constant change in the scope of work, not to mention the 75-day deadline. These are just a handful of issues that made delivering the project quite complex. Was it challenging? Oh yes, it was. But what lies at the heart of the golden rule of exceptional execution is readiness. It is about overcoming challenges even when they appear impossible, because you have the answers to what, how, who, and when. We found that the challenge and complexity of the project taught us new lessons that we've now adopted in our execution protocols. The result? We delivered ahead of time and on budget. It is as simple as that. Red Sea Housing used the execution dashboard to deliver world-class quality at lightning speed. During our work on rule number 1, I aim, therefore I am, I introduced the life plan. I hope you will find it interesting and fruitful to consider the links between my life plan and my personal execution dashboard. A look at my life plan immediately reveals the linkage between certain annual and 2020 life goals and the timelines and milestones that exist in my personal execution dashboard. This tool adds more detail to the timeline by working quarters Q1 to Q4. I apply the same traffic light tool to this execution dashboard to help me achieve my monthly, quarterly, and annual goals. No matter what role you play in life, whether you are an individual, the head of a family, running an NGO, or a company, the rule is the same. You must execute. You have the strategy, you have an ambitious goal, you have the greatest among you, now execute.